this is your captain speaking. My name is Winda1236. Yes, and this is flight CJ101. We'll be flying with a go-kart, which is not a plane.
This is the co-pilot, Mr. Trevor Dias, and we will be reaching our destination point, as you know. Now, as you can see, it's very dark, but the people who are watching this video will like it. Because, as you can see, we use no petrol. This is on battery. And if we want to fart, we just click a button, this. And it farts as usual. So, as you know, this is the place where you've been living. As you can see, this is all around CJ's place. Now, if you want to go see the star, please go ask Neil Armstrong, because this is not the way. Now, we will be reaching in quite some time, but please put your seat belt. For safety precautions, please look at the book inside the seat in front of you. Thank you.
Well, that was the emergency thing. Now we are going to fly to Law Off.
Captain, where is the destination? I forgot.
San Piero, right ahead.
I'm sorry. You know my brain, it's like a cat.
I'm sorry, sir. I think.
And there we are going to reach. Sorry, wrong place. Oh, there's my guest. As you can see, we have lost our destination point, but soon we will come.
We are now at Forster Valley. Faster. Something like that.
And
well, we're passing San Piero. It's suddenly
as you can see, in this new place we have reached, the weather is very bad.
First, it's not foggy. In few seconds, it will be nice and clear. Just wait,
as you can see, there is no land where I'm going.
Yeah, it's quite dark.
Ah, there we are. The church. Sorry, wrong place. There you can see Paris, the Eiffel Tower, and soon we will be seeing Taj Mahal later on.
Yes, but now we'll get out of a go-kart and put the night vision goggles on for
Thank you for having a wonderful